How would you like to improve your personal branding on Manychat so that when people see it, they're instantly impressed and would be more inclined to do business with you? If so, you're going to want to check out this video. I'm going to show you how to create a killer real estate brochure using Manychat. Take a look. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, thanks for being here. My name is Kevin Smullin. My company is 2Q Lead Generation Strategies, where we help real estate agents generate all the leads they need for their business, teaching them a 1-hour marketing system on Facebook. So this video, what we're going to be talking about is Manychat, M-A-N-Y-C-H-A-T. If you've watched any amount of my videos, you know I'm a huge fan. Manychat is an automated message bot. Where you can be having conversations with people right through Messenger on Facebook. And it is an awesome tool that is great for not only generating leads, but also for conversion, staying in touch with people over time. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how to create a real estate brochure. Now, this real estate brochure is just going to be a way of improving your branding, letting people know about you, your background, and why they should be excited to potentially work with you. So that's what we're going to show today. Now, as always, if you're brand new, every single week we publish new videos like this where we're showing you different ways of generating leads, more ways to convert leads. And so this is a channel you want to take a look at. So give us a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for being here. Also down below, I'm going to put a link to our online course. It's a free course that'll show you 4 different ways of generating leads and marketing to different audiences on Facebook. So you'll certainly want to go take a look at that. So let's get into the tutorial itself. I'm going to just go ahead and share my screen, and we will get to it. So for those of you who are not familiar, what you're seeing is Manychat. So I have gone to flows. I've created a new flow. I've titled it Real Estate Brochure, and this is what I'm going to be creating. So the nice thing about Manychat is they've got these different blocks that you can use for creating different things. So we are going to go into the editing part, and here you're going to see those different blocks. So one of the things that we want to include is we want to include an image. Now, Manychat does have a very specific image format that they use because if you just use a regular image, it's probably going to be too big dimension-wise, and it's going to take up a ton of space inside Messenger, and it'll also decrease how fast things load. So you'll certainly want to change that. So with that, the image dimensions are going to be 450 by 450. So you've probably seen in other videos, there's a tool that I use called Canva. I'm a huge fan of Canva, so canva.com. It's just basically a graphic editing program. So I'm going to come up here to custom dimensions. And since the format is 450 by 450, that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to create a new design. And so what it's going to show me over here in the center is this is my template. So this is how big that space is that I have to work with. I've already uploaded some photos. This is where you would upload a photo of yourself. So I'm just going to go down and find one that I would want to use for editing, just to kind of show you how this works. I have to go pretty far down to the bottom to find the one that I'm looking for. I should just put it in a folder to make it easier. And I think we're close. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so let's say I want to use that one. Perfect. So then I'm just going to stretch it out to make sure that it fits that space, both top and bottom. Reposition it. And that looks fairly centered. That looks pretty good. So I would use that. Come up here to download. You'll notice that I have a difference or choice between a PNG, which says it's a high quality image, or a JPEG, a small file size. You want that one so that it takes less time to load. So I'm just going to download that. Cancel their little sales pitch. I'm just going to save this to my desktop, and we'll call it brochure image. That works. Okay, perfect. So I've got that sized. Now I'm just going to come over here to Manychat where this image is. We're just going to upload that image that I just created. There it is. We will upload that, and there is the image. Okay, perfect. So that takes care of that. Now I'm going to add some text. And so right here where the text is, we're just going to put, welcome to Kevin Smullin Real Estate. I am excited, probably helps to spell, excited to work with you on your real estate needs. Excited to work with you. I'd probably change that towards your real estate goals. I want to keep it generic. I don't want to mention buying or selling. That way I can use this for both, whether I'm working with a buyer or a seller. And then I would just put, let me use this to introduce myself. Feel free to click any of the buttons below to learn more about me. So right here for the first button, I would just put about me. So right here on this one, I'm going to have it open a website. So you can have this link to your website. You can have it go directly to your About Us section on your website. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go to my website. I'll go to my About Me page. So here's my About Me page. I would just copy this. And then this page, I would just put that link right here inside Manychat. So open website, here's the URL, and done. So if they want to learn about me, they click on that button. It's going to take them to my website where they can learn more. The next button I want to put in would be a button that is labeled Testimonials. Or I could even just call it What My Clients Say. So that's going to fit. So what my clients say, I'm going to have that also open a website. So there's a couple options here. With this, you can have it open to a website. If you've got a page on your website that has testimonials, maybe your Zillow profile, whatever, where all of your reviews are. Maybe it's your Facebook page that has all of your reviews. So you could use any of those, but you would just plug that link in here. So I'll do that. I'll go to my Facebook page. That's where most of my reviews are anyway. So I'll come here to my business page for Facebook. We'll go to the Reviews tab. And as you can see here, this is where all of my reviews are. So I would just simply copy that. And then I would take that link, come back to Manychat, and that link goes right there. So now I've got my reviews section done. And then the last one is I would just put recent transactions. We want to show people that you're a successful real estate agent. So one of the videos that I did earlier a few months ago is I showed people how to create a real estate transaction map. I'm not going to show how to do that here because I've done that in another video. I'll put the link right up here as to where you can click on to learn how to do that. But that program, I used My Maps for that. So I would just come down here, My Maps, go into Google My Maps, and I'll use the one that I used for that demo. So the real estate transaction map. So here it was. This was the real estate transactions that I put in, and you can see all those in various places. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see that there are quite a few. And it's just a nice piece that shows people, wow, they're successful, they're active, they're doing a good job. So I would just click on share, and in share, it's going to give me a link. So I want to make sure that anyone who has the link can view this. And then I'm just going to take that link, and yep, that's going to go right here inside Manychat. So now with one quick little thing, I've created a very powerful brochure to where people can find out more about me. They see a picture of me. If you wanted, you could even do a short little video intro. And instead of this photo, you would just use this video tool right down here. So you could do that. The last piece is I'm going to add a little delay. I'm probably going to add like a 10-second delay, which gives them plenty of opportunity to look at this. And then I'm going to add a little bit of text that says, if you have questions, I am here to help. Feel free to use the button below to call me, and I am happy to help. So on the button, I'm just going to put call me. I'm going to have that be call a phone number, and then you would just put in your phone number. So I'm just going to put in that as a placeholder. And with that, I would hit publish. I have now, within just a couple of minutes, created a very powerful real estate brochure. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come into keywords. I've already got a test one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change what it is that's being sent. I'll just create a new one. So we'll call it test 2. Create that keyword. We're going to select the brochure that we just did. Select this. And that is now done. So with that, I'm just going to come back to Facebook, inside Messenger. And here's the page. I'm just going to type in test 2 to fire that message. And there we go. So there's the image of me. Here's the message. Welcome to Kevin Smullin Real Estate. See how there's a 10-second delay, and then once that's done, the next one's going to fire. But if I want to learn more about me, that opens up the page. They can click on see what my clients say. Here's where they would find the reviews and testimonials. Or they could just say recent transactions. And then it's going to bring up that map where they can take a look at all the different transactions. So with that, that is how you can create a very powerful real estate brochure, and then you would just plug that into whatever follow-up sequence you want. So that is how to create some very powerful branding for your business and just have that great introduction piece. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. There's not only myself, but a lot of very smart people that are great at marketing that'll help you out with that. Also, again, subscribe if you haven't. That's one of the fastest ways to make sure you're learning more and more tricks and secrets about marketing your business on Facebook and generating more leads for your business. Also, click on the notifications icon. That will make sure that you get notified every time we publish a new video. We do one of these per week. So it's one of the best resources out there for generating leads for your business. Also, give us a like. That helps us. It just lets people know that they like the content that we're putting out. So as always, make it a great week. Hope you keep generating more leads for your business using Facebook. And we will talk to you soon. Take care.